In this series, I aim to give you a quick introduction to some of the plant families found in the UK. Learning to identify plant families is a great help in identifying individual plant species you come across. Plants are classified into families based on characteristics that they share. So the way to identify a plant's family is to know these characteristic features. Today we're going to look at the Onagraceae, the willowherb or evening primrose family. This is a family of annual, biennial and perennial plants with around 650 species. The family is cosmopolitan, but has its greatest concentration and diversity in North America. The Onagraceae contains herbaceous species, shrubs, and a small number of trees. Some are used as ornamental plants, like Fuchsia magellanica and its cultivars, Clarkia amoena, Satin Flower, and Oenothera lindheimeri, Gaura. And others are used medicinally, such as Chamaenerion angustifolium, Rosebay Willowherb, and Oenothera biennis, the common evening primrose. Oenothera biennis also yields oil used as a supplement and in cosmetics. In the UK, the Onagraceae are mostly perennial species with some biennials, and are mostly herbaceous. Wild Onagraceae species in the UK include Chamaenerion angustifolium, epilobium species such as Epilobium hirsutum, the great willowherb, and Epilobium montanum, the broadleaf willowherb, Circea lutetiana, enchanter's nightshade, and Ludwigia palustris, the water purslane. The flowers of Onagraceae species have 4 sepals and 4 petals, aside from Circea, which has 2 of each. They are actinomorphic and tend to be in shades of pink and purple. In Fuchsia, the sepals are brightly coloured like the petals. There are usually 8 stamens, though Circea again has only 2. The flowers of some species possess a hypanthium, a structure that encloses the carpels with the ovaries, style and stigma, and which the sepals, petals and stamens are attached to. A hypanthium is also known as a floral cup. The stigmas are either club-shaped or have 4 lobes, which is often important for species ID. The ovaries are inferior. The fruits in the majority of the UK Onagraceae are capsules, which split along their length when mature to release the seeds. In Fuchsia, the fruit's a berry, and the fruits of Circea do not split when mature. The seeds of Epilobium and Chamaenerion have tufts of fluffy hairs on them that catch the wind for dispersal. The leaves of Onagraceae species may be arranged alternately or oppositely on the stem, or even whorled on occasion. Some species overwinter as a rosette. The leaves are simple, meaning they're undivided, and they're often slightly toothed. So, if your plant has pink or purple flowers, with 4 petals and sepals, perhaps with a hypanthium, capsule fruits, and simple opposite or alternate leaves, then it could be in the Onagraceae. See if you can find these 3 species on your travels. Epilobium hirsutum, great willowherb, with downy opposite leaves and pink flowers. Fuchsia magellanica, the fuchsia, a woody shrub from South America with opposite and sometimes whorled leaves and flowers with red-pink sepals and purple petals. And Chamaenerion angustifolium, Rosebay Willowherb, a tall plant with alternate leaves and spikes of pink-purple flowers.